I try and always start this with a musical instrument, and so I thought it was time for me to show you my magic cowbell. Here it is. The magic thing about this cowbell is it's got no bell in the middle, look. But watch this now. Ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
Welsh shock!
Hello, or as we say in Wales, is there anybody out there? Now, some people would say that Welsh has borrowed heavily from English in recent years, and so what I thought I would do is I'd take this opportunity to highlight a uniquely Welsh idiom that would help give you a better idea of the personality of the Welsh language. Mae'n bwrw rhaggedd ffyn. Mae'n bwrw rhaggedd ffyn. The meaning of this phrase is, it's raining heavily, but the literal translation for it is, it's raining old women in sticks. Which doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So in Wales it rains old women in sticks, and that is bizarre, admittedly. But in England it rains cats and dogs. That's also weird. And I come to figure that basically in Britain it rains so much that we've had to come up with increasingly interesting ways to discuss it. Otherwise we become so bored we just melt or explode. As an extra footnote to this idiom though, you must be careful when you're using it, because basically there are a couple of things, they're tripping up points here. Like for instance, bwrw can mean two different things depending on what context they're in. For instance, in this case, Bwrw Glaw, it means raining, right? So Bwrw Glaw is raining, Bwrw is snowing. Mae'n bwrw rhaggedd ffyn, it's raining. But essentially, bwrw can also mean hit, as in, dwi'n mynd I bwrw chi, I'm going to hit you. Now the word to be careful with really in this saying is the word a, because mae'n bwrw rhaggedd ffyn, with the a just completely normal as it is, means it's raining old ladies with sticks. But if you put a circumflex on top of that a and turning into mae'n bwrw rhaggedd ffyn, that means it's hitting old ladies with sticks. And rather than being a colourful expression about the weather, that is a dreadful admission about abusing the elderly. For shame. For shame! For shame! Now remember, be careful with your idioms. Now over to me on the TV with a new word for you to learn to week. Yay! How did you get this number? God damn you. This week's word is gwlyb. Wet. Mae rhaid I chi parchu'r glaw. Cymrwch ymbarel. Does neb yn hoff o fod yn wlyb. Dwi'n hoff o fod yn wlyb. Dwi'n gwlyb ar ôl cnicio. Okay, diolch. Mae'n wefreiddiol. Thanks me on the TV. Now I'm off to find me some old ladies. And they'll be like, no! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! And I'll be like, I'm sorry, I'll stop. Now it's come to the time of the clickety-click. There's the links, there's videos of our sketches, there's also blogs. They're musical and tasty. Have a click on them. Also, subscribe to this. When you subscribe, it makes me feel all good. Also, there's a website. It's popping all up in the bottom. Why don't you go and have a visit of it? Thank you all very much.